How to put text behind a person in CapCut for PC or Mac. So if you want to put text behind a person in CapCut, then what you need to do is first open up your project. Once you open it up, now you need to go with import and select the video. Once you've selected, you just need to simply drag and drop it to the bottom. And after that, you need to select it. Once you've selected, now you need to go with the text, which is on the upper right, and go with the plus button, and it will be added to the track. Now you can enlarge it and go with the right side and then add a text. For example, I'll be choosing yoga, and you can simply go with the font. I'm choosing a new font for it. Once you choose a font, now you can enlarge it if you want to. And once you have your text, now what you need to do is just go with export, which is on the upper right, and export the video. Once you've exported, now go with cancel and go with import and remove the video that you've imported. Now what you need to do is just go with import again, and you need to choose the video in which you don't have your text and the video in which you have the text. So once you have both of these videos, and now you need to select the video which has the text to your timeline and the video which don't have the text on the upper side of your video. And after that, you need to select the first one and go with the cutout or remove VG option, and then go with the cutout or auto removal, and it will automatically remove it. And if you play the video, you can see that the text on the back side. So that's it. That's how you can put the text behind a person in CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.